Still stuck with square cutouts on your RV? Corner Radius Blocks make it easy to get that smooth, rounded finish with no headache. Hi everyone, I'm Brittany from RecPro, and today I'm going to fill you in about our Corner Radius Blocks. We offer multiple options, the first being for RV baggage doors, the second one being for RV windows, and the third being for RV entry doors. Corner Radius Blocks are used on the frame for the trailer, so you can turn any square corner into a rounded corner, giving you a better fit for your RV baggage doors, your RV entry doors, and your RV windows. They're injection molded for a strong, precise fit and proudly made in America, so you know they're made durable and built to last. So if you want to transform your square cutouts into smooth, round cutouts instead, click the link below. Also, if you like this video and you want to see what we've got coming up, like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.